My name is Anthony Evans. I'm an attorney down here in Jacksonville, Florida for Farah Farah. I practice personal injury, and that means auto accidents, slip and fall, or premises cases. I started practicing in Orlando a few years ago when I got barred, and I started as a prosecutor. It's a good, fun job, but I ended up making my way here to try to make a little bit more of a difference. My mom and dad has always instilled into me that, you want to do the right thing, no matter what. Do the right thing. Doing the right thing is never the wrong thing. And then when you go and take that one step further, one thing that they instilled in me a long time ago was, take care of yourself first, make sure you're good to go. But after that, whatever else you can do to help anybody else, you should be doing. And you should lend that hand down to help people. Now, that goes to the next part of what inspired me to become an attorney is just the people that you meet, the people that you help. Because the thing is no one really plans to get in an accident or slip and fall and get hurt to the point they had to file a lawsuit. That never crosses anyone's mind on a daily basis, at least not normally. And when that happens, people can get lost in the details and lost in the weeds, and it's very unfamiliar territory, and they get scared with it. But, there's lots of instances also where people just don't realize that things happen to them and they can get an attorney, and they have every right to, and they should. One of the things that I like to put off the bat is that I'm not a cheerleader attorney, and I don't mean that to be offensive in any kind of way. What I mean to say is that I want to be realistic with my clients and set the right expectations with them up front. I think that's very, very important as an attorney. One of the best pieces of advice I can tell my clients is that they do their part, we do our part. We're going to cross that finish line together and get better results for it. What I like most about working at Farah Farah is the fact that loyal and giving reputation they have throughout the community, it doesn't end in the community. It's also here in the office, and it starts here in the office. Because when something comes up or there's an issue or a problem, we band together and it appears to work together. So even though you might have one attorney working on your case, or maybe even two, to know that there's an army behind it, but that army is kind, gentle, helpful. That same image they put out in the community is the same thing that you find here behind those doors. And that's what I do really appreciate about working at Farah Farah. Farah Farah is invested in this community, and that means that Farah Farah is invested into you. And so when you come to these doors and you get us, you have a whole team of attorneys and staff looking over your case and taking it from inception to conclusion at the very end of it. And we have a lot of great, hardworking, very intelligent people here, more than capable to do anything and everything that you need for your case. But not only that, communicate with you and make you feel at ease and comfortable that your case is in the right hands. Because at the end of the day, one thing that many people overlook anywhere else is that the peace of mind that you can have when you know your case is in the right hands. And those hands are definitely here at Farah Farah, holding out, waiting to help you.